Hey folks, Candleman here. Today I'm going to cook a roast and vegetables and make gravy on my 5 tea light stove that I've made, and I hope you enjoy the video. I'm going to start by cooking up some onions and garlic in olive oil. Then I'll add a half a package of dry onion soup and half a cup of water. Now I'm going to add the 3.5 pound roast to the pot, and I'll slowly cook it over my candles. The roast fits nicely in this 3-liter saucepan, and just kind of fills the bottom. I like to put tin foil on top of the pot and then put the cover on top of that. It saves the heat in the pot and makes things cook just a little faster and a little bit better. Check on the roast every so often to see how it's cooking. I also like to check on the candles and make sure they're all burning properly and nothing's overheating. Change the view a little bit so that you can see the clock on the stove in the background. The roast has been cooking for about an hour now, and it's looking real good. Candles doing good. So the roast has been cooking about an hour and a half now, and it's cooked. It's looking real good. And time to take it out and start cooking the rest of the meal. I'm going to cook the carrots, fresh carrots and potatoes, right in the juice from out of the roast, and can't wait to try this. Mushrooms make everything taste better. I also added some celery. Oh, roast looked good. So now everything's cooking here real nice. It's time to stir it up a little bit. So now the vegetables are cooked. I'm going to strain out the liquid and use it to make gravy. You'll also notice that 3 of my candles have burnt out. I just replaced them and with 5 new candles, and I'm starting to make the gravy. So I added cornstarch and water to the juice from the pot roast, and that thickens it up. Heat it up again, just simmer it over the candles. Stir it to make sure nothing's sticking on the bottom. Now look at that nice rich brown gravy, and I tell you, it's going to taste just as good as it looks. I now have the vegetables, pot roast, and gravy all cooked, ready for my beautiful wife when she gets home from work. Cooked on candles. Gotta love it.